Hi guys, so we found this simple lightweight screen recording software called wcap. It works for both Windows 10 and 11 and the app is very easy to use. You can choose to record the whole screen or a part of it. Simply download this exe file. It is very small app. You can see it's only 65 KB. So in folder and double click on it. More info and run anyway. After this is done, you can find wcap on the taskbar settings. Right click and go to settings. So here are some of the settings. You can remove the mouse cursor, only client area, recording border, etc. And this is the location it will be saved. So this is the shortcut we will use. Here is the shortcut for capturing the whole window. You can change this too. Click on it and press the shortcut you want to use. Capture particular region, let's allocate another shortcut for it, so all set. And okay, let's try it. Press Ctrl+S and you can select the area you want to record. And press enter, so it is recording. You can see the borders too. To stop recording, press the shortcut Ctrl+S and it will stop. And here is the video. Please do give it a try. Thank you very much.